Modern vehicles have ever-increasing levels of technology built into them to ensure your safety and to enhance the driving experience. High-pressure fuel systems that maximize economy and performance, electronic stability programs, start-stop systems, and tire pressure monitors all deliver great benefits, but add complexity to servicing and repairs. With such complex machinery, it is more important than ever to make the right choice of who you trust to maintain your vehicle. Here at Macklin Motors, we have manufacturer-accredited technicians who undergo factory training with the latest diagnostic equipment to ensure we keep your vehicle safe and reliable. We only use genuine manufacturer-supplied parts that come with a European-wide warranty. Every time we see your vehicle, we will conduct a comprehensive free visual health check, even providing you with a short video to help explain its condition, as well as a written report. We will check with the manufacturer if there are any software enhancements or safety recalls that we can take care of at the same time. For your convenience, we offer a range of courtesy services, including home collection and delivery, while you wait appointments, and courtesy cars. Our dealerships all have free Wi-Fi, and we will be delighted to offer you a tea or coffee whilst you're with us. Before we return your vehicle, we will make sure it is washed and vacuumed. We all know they drive better when they are clean. All of this, and the added comfort of knowing that a full manufacturer service history will protect the resale value of your vehicle, means trusting us to service your vehicle is the wise choice.